Vehicles in Harborcreek Township experience an unusual traffic problem this morning. Thousands of marbles could be seen rolling along Buffalo Road at the intersection with Cook Avenue. Happened about 10:15 this morning. A truck had several boxes of landscaping marbles in the back. When they pulled off at the light, the green glass balls ended up flying into the road and into the nearby grass. The state police originally responded to the call along with Fairfield Hose Company trying to direct traffic. Harborcreek Streets Department could be seen raking marbles out of the grass and eventually used a street sweeper to help clean the remaining marbles.